how to fix Amazon Photos not uploading photos on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix Amazon Photos not uploading on your Android device. So if you're also facing such issue, then the issue might be related to the update of your application. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and just search in for the particular application, that is Amazon Photos application. So once you're inside here, make sure you have updated your application and your application is up to date. So if it's still not working, then just head over to your settings and then just click on this apps button over here, or apps option. Just tap on this and you just have to locate your application name. And as you can see, I've already located my Amazon Photos application. So scroll down and click on storage, and all you have to do is just clear the cache and clear data from over here. So you may have to re-log in with your account, and once you do that, your Amazon Photos application should be starting working correctly. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.